Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 74 and onwards of Surah Ali Imran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. يختص برحمته من يشاء والله ذو الفضل العظيم. Ya is very soft. The makhraj of ya is middle of your tongue raising towards the upper palate, but it will not touch the palate. So the tongue should be in a very soft position. Yeah, and kha will be heavy, and there will be rakhawa. The flow of sound should be very nicely heard on kha. Yahtasu, ta is very strong letter, and saw will be heavy. Saw will get rakhawa. It will get safir. Safir is a whistle of sound. So tasu, yahtasu, and dhamma is very short, but your lips should be very much nicely circled. B for kasra, give e sound. The sound is very short. Ra, ra is heavy. As soon you will touch ha, it will get rakhawa. The sound should flow very nicely, and there should be a misty sound there. B, rah, ma is short. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short, and don't bring wrinkle on your lips when you are saying meme. It should be very softly touched. Two lips should touch very softly to say meme. Ma, ma, ti. Ta is very sharp sound for kasra. E sound. He, two counts long. May, this is idgham with gunna. So you're keeping the sound in your nose, and this gunna is akmal gunna. So the sound should be in your nose for a longer period of time. May, yeah, is again, this is a soft letter for fatha. Open your jaws. The sound is very short. Yeah, sha will be 4 counts long. And when you are stopping on Hamza, you're giving sukoon, so the sound should be abruptly cut off right away, and the sound will have nabar. And what number is? Number is a jump of sound. Yasha wallahu. Waw, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with lam, lafz jalala. Name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be heavy because there is fatha before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Whenever there is a fatha or dhamma before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name will be heavy. Wallah, and it is always long. That will be 2 counts long. Wallahu, for ha, circle your lips. For dhamma, circle your lips. And the sound is very short. Hu, zulm. For dhamma, circle your lips. And don't make it long anymore, because that was a mud letter, but because it is attached with the coming up letter, that's why dal is not anymore long now. Then now there will be a short sound, and it will be attached with lam. Dul. So circle your lips very well for dhamma. Dul, and give tawassut on lam. Fa, there's hums on fa always. Fa never goes before without hums, and hums is a flow of breath. This sound should be there, and then attached with dod. Dod will get rakhawa. It is heavy, and it has istiqala, the sound of here. Lil, for kasra, give e sound and then attach with lam. Don't drop this e sound because kasra is there. Whenever there is a kasra, there is e sound. Lil, and on other lam you will give tawassut. Lil Ain from your throat, and fatha is short. Weem will be heavy, and it will be 4 counts long. When you will stop on meme, you will give the wasat, because the wasat and lin umar are the letters. Whenever they are with sukoon, we'll get the wasat, and the wasat is a medium flow of sound. So give this sound. Azim. Wa for wow, fatha, or circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Min. For kasra, give e sound. On noon, give the wasut. Min. Hamza is very sharp sound, but for fatha, open your jaws. Attach with ra. Ha will get raqawa, and raqawa is a flow of sound. Lil. For kasra, give e sound. Attach with lam. Lam. Lam will get the wasut. Lil. Ki. For kasra, give e sound, and kaf will not get hums here, because whenever kaf will be with sukoon, will get hums. Okay, so here the kaf will be very clear. Ki, ta, 2 counts long. B for kasra, give e sound. Man. There's idhar, and idhar will get sifa of tawassut. Man. And this is ikhfa, and this ikhfa is with ta. So how you do it, you keep the your tongue very straight, because ta is among light letters. And ta. For ta is very sharp sound, and it is attached with the very sharp sound, so it will cut off right away. Ta. Man. There will be sifat tawassit here. Man. Who for dhamma, circle your lips, and the sound is very short. B for kasra, give e sound. Ting. This qaf will be heavy, and the ikhfa over here will be heavy, because there is a heavy letter coming up for ikhfa letter. B. Ting. Ting. Qa. Qa will be heavy, and it is 2 counts long. Ni. This is idgham with gunna. You're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer period of time. Biqinqari. You. Now, ya is very soft. For dhamma, circle your lips. The sound should be very short. You. Ad. Hamza is very sharp. Attached with dal. And give kasra. Give e sound for kasra. Addi. Hamza is sharp. Dal is sharp. The sounds are cutting off right away. Addi. He. 4 counts long. E for kasra, give e sound. Lay. This is lean. It will take 2 counts long sound. Ka, short. Wa for wow, fatha. Open your jaws. For wow, circle your lips. Min for kasra, give e sound. Attach with noon. Noon will get the wasut. Min. Hum for dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with meme. There is idgham, so you are pronouncing this meme. And there is akmal gunna, so you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Hum. Man. This is idhar, and idhar will get the sifat tawassut. Man. In. Ta. Man. Hu. B for kasra, give e sound. D. 2 counts long. Na. Light and 2 counts long. Rilla. This is idgham without gunna, so you're not keeping sound in your nose at all. So rilla. For kasra, give e sound, and then attach with lam, and then lam will be 2 counts long. Rilla. You. Addihi. Ilayka. Illa. Hamza is very sharp. For kasra, give e sound, attached with lam, and lam will be 2 counts long after that. Illa ma. Ma is 2 counts long. Dun for dhamma, circle your lips when you are on that. As soon as you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position. Dum, and there will be tawassut on meme. Ta, ta is very sharp. The sound cut away right away. And for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Ta, ah, ain from your throat, the sound is short. Lay, 2 counts long. E, short. Qa, heavy. And 4 counts long. E, for kasra, give E sound. Hamza is very sharp. Ma, mad, so you keep making it 2 counts long. قائما, the is 2 counts long. Li, for kasra, give E sound. Ka, short. ذلك, B, for kasra, give E sound. An, Hamza is very sharp. Attached with noon, noon will get sifa of gunna. Anna, na is short. Hum, for dhamma, circle your lips. Attached with meme, you will get sifa of tawassut. Hum. Qa is heavy and 2 counts long. Lu, 2 counts long. Make sure you circle your lips for every dhamma in Quran. Lay, this is lean. It will take 2 counts long sound. Sa, there should be very nice sound in scene. Sa, ain from your throat. The sound is short. For fatha, open your jaws. Lay, 2 counts long. Na, 2 counts long. Feel, it is not anymore long because this is attached with the coming up lam. So, but we will give this E sound anyways. So you will hear the sound of E, but that will not be long. Feel, give the wasan on lam. For Hamza, give very sharp sound. For Dhamma, circle your lips. Attached with meme, meme will get sifa of gunna, and that is akmal gunna. So give a nice long gunna here. Then meme is attached with ya, and here it will get never. Why it's getting never? Because ya and waw are the letters. Whenever they are with tashdid, will get sifa of the nabar, and nabar is a jump up sound. Look, when you are attaching meme with ya, this is the place where you will create nabar. Look how we do it. Me. If I'll say without number, then there will be 1 ya dropped. And we cannot add anything in Quran, and we cannot subtract anything from Quran. So be careful, pronounce both yas with the sifa of never. Me, ye is 2 counts long here, na short. I'm saying it again for you. Feel ummi, yina, sa is short, b 2 counts long. Lung, idgham with gunna. Keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Lung, for fatha, open your jaws. Yeah, very soft, and the fatha is short. Open your jaws for fatha. Qaf is heavy, and it is 2 counts long. And make sure you circle your lips very well. Qu, lu, na, short. And from your throat, for fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. Law, this lam is light, but the moment you will touch Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, that will be heavy because you see a fatha before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name. Whenever there is a dhamma or fatha, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name will be heavy. Heal, forgive, for kasra, give E sound. Don't drop this sound even you are attaching it with the coming up letter, and this lam will get tawassut. Heal, ka is short. The, for kasra, give E sound. Ba, short. Ka, the, ba, wa, for fatha, open your jaws. Wow, circle your lips. Hum, for dhamma, circle your lips. Attached with meme, you get safa of tawassut. Hum, yeah. keep yeah very soft for fatha. Open your jaws, attach with the ain will get safa of tawassut, and ain should be from your throat. Yeah, yeah. La is short. Noon, make sure you circle your lips very nicely to make this mud 4 counts long, and then give tawassut on noon when you will end the ayah. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. سبحان الله وبحمده عدد خلقه ورضا نفسه وزنة عرشه ومداد كلمته. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.